Hey guys, welcome back to my comedy channel. This is another hilarious one, very hilarious one for you guys. Keep liking this video and keep sharing this video, comment, and also don't forget to turn on post notification bell icon when you subscribe. We're not going to waste enough of your time. Let's go into this wonderful comedy. Let's go.
Neighbor, if you carry this thing finish, what you go chop?
You know that I don't go make friends with kekere people. I get 6 loaves of bread inside my room now.
Some man don't they live by bread alone.
Even for church, Holy Communion and bread they carry some. Let man live by bread alone.
No be that one where I come from. I come with sharp update.
I bet carry update to go. I don't need
Food there on board though.
carry your food to go.
Money.
Okay.
I don't wise up now. I know what enter.
Say don't wise up.
They go.
See this update now. Which I carry survive yesterday. Food everywhere.
Leave my domot.
Hey! If I let me come.
Let me play, follow you. They play. How I go leave food?
See what you go do now. You go wait one side. 1 minute. If I enter, you come.
Oh yeah now.
Idiot! Madam, give me rice, beans, meat, plantain, yam. Like, give me 2 people plates for one.
Madam,
Yes, customer.
should I get rice?
Yes.
Hey, madam.
Yes.
Give me 2 plates and 1.
Okay.
Beans for 2 people.
Okay.
Yam for 3 people.
Yes.
Pack and come.
How can you just be without
Brother, you go shoot
any kind of
Madam, give me water now. Now don't they give us water? When I dey alive, now pure water then they give. Oh. When I dey alive, now pure water then they give.
this something don't count. Don't try to be me. But I'm not gonna look like
This is your update.
Guy! But you see, every location and everywhere you go run am o. First give am gap like 2 weeks before you tire am.
No, ma'am.
I think he's coming to this location. Yeah.
I'm on the way to alive, they enjoy you. It's what you when I die alive, now so suffer, I suffer till I die. You know run?
We are in this together. I'm from Yawa mortuary. And I know say they never bury you, still there mortuary. I already come the chop rice. I don't dey observe you say.
That means you come for that motel over there.
There is no need church or church. Show what. Manage to make
Instead, I'll go kill myself because of rice and beans.
my guy don't stick to
Baba Moku share this bread. No panic, I will carry you go home today.
Nah, life.
No, you say when it was alive. They want to carry you home. Let's see the black on this one.
Jesus!
Why you shout Jesus now?
Why you take entire?
Sure. Now you carry me yesterday night now. And they do you, they scream, they shout, everywhere just they whatever. You know, remember, I am fine boy. Do pay me make I dey go.
How they come? Okay.
You sweet die.
So you carry OS. SK is coming for you.
Talkless. How you go do me this kind of thing now? How you go give me a shawarma carry go when you know I'm not too guy?
Ashawo. No be even talk say you need ashawo. And you be there under highness. Now ashawo follow you gun body now.
God forbid, not be me go make that kind of decision now. I was under the influence of alcohol. Now alcohol talk on my behalf.
Yeah, sorry.
Oh boy, I don't get money to give that girl.
You dey when?
And you know some of these ashawo people, then they get hot temper. Make that girl no go break my head oh. See Alpha, you go borrow me money this evening and they go live for Crity app. And my gift as for them are ballers. Once they gift me like this, I will give you. Even you yourself, you supposed don't download that Crity app.
As you be like this now, no guy though. You know say na the last money we shut down for club and na so we buy. It be like say you go meet on your phone no.
You dey craze? I go remit my phone give OS. Hold up.
Slim.
Okay, where you go now? Don't finish today, go.
Grandmaster, why they do this kind of thing now? Which one be say make I give you this innocent girl? I not give you sacrifice last week. Now every day I go to keep person.
Okay, who you dey follow talk?
Hey, I want to sacrifice another thing this week. Next week I will give you another person.
Jesus.
Who they tell me this kind of thing?
Lord of Jesus.
No verse, I know they shout for you, Grandmaster. No.
Okay,
No, it's my mama. No, it's my mama. I beg. I will give her. I will give her. Okay, if I touch her left breast, she go disappear.
Bring the breast.
Bring that breast.
I will not near me. I go use
So
some
she
and
came
break your
prepared
head.
with
Bring that
armor.
breast.
I cannot near me. I go use some and break your head.
So she came prepared with the armor.
Life is simple.
Don't take this
Automatically, as a man,
some
you
more
are
energy.
designed to withstand pressure. But unfortunately, in this generation, young men are becoming lazy. If you're under the sound of my voice, consider yourself lucky because my name is Nduka. I'm a motivational speaker, a 10 times best author winner for the most outstanding book writer, and a philanthropist. I am too big to be in this kind of environment, but I was led because of the society things I see in the society. As a young man, let me tell you, at the age of 15 years, you should have a house of your own. Yes, because I bought my first house at the age of 14 for $500 million. As a man, we stand pressure. Go out of your way, be creative. At the age of 11, I was able to channel all my energy and build a refinery that accelerated power to the next level. That is why I was able to generate a personal revenue of up to $2 million at the age of 11.
My name is Comrade Stephen Umukoro. I may be the leader of the SOS movement, Save Our Society.
Now industry plans be that. They give boys pressure. Comrade! SOS.
What is even SK up to? Like, everyone is just bashing SK from left and right. What did they do? At first, it started where on the lockdown, it started insulting people.
I cannot
Jotter
feel
boy,
you.
you begged me to put your comedy.
I cannot feel there's too much at stake
You are
for
happy
me
now.
to feel.
So enjoy. That was a wonderful. That was wonderful
Aboki.
one from Jotter boy. Let's
Iron
see
content.
Motell on this one.
Come now.
What do you want to say?
How far you go buy fan?
Pa, you killing? You sure say na killing pa?
Of course, na.
Bilal, if I don't spoil, wala baran say
You go buy abi?
If you don't get it, I go buy now. How much you want to sell the pan?
How much you want buy talk?
Gaskiya pa me na 500 naira I go buy.
It should be 500. What to be 500?
If you no be gree for 500 naira, I no go buy. Wallahi, like 500.
No be 5. Why you go call this kind of thing? You know, normally, if see look at very well, it's still the function very very well. It's still very very strong. See normally, if I want go sell am for normal shop, you know how much they go buy am.
To I go one cake say na.
Talk Joe, how much you want buy am? It will be 500 naira.
Neighbor, you there?
Neighbor, you don't wake.
I don't wake. I bet you let me see my fan.
Your fan?
My fan, my standing fan.
Where you keep am?
You don't go sell again. Where the thing go sell?
Aboki will go talk later now, yeah?
You don't go sell again.
No, that matter will go. I go call you. They come around.
Yes, man.
We'll go talk with you.
I been try clean and carry key for house.
Talk true.
Honestly, I don't know who can carry.
You clean your fan, dry and keep her outside.
Yes, I just dry
You
and
know they keep her outside like that. You know what this boy for this
Motell,
area?
give her a fan.
What are you seeing?
No, I no see him.
You know if me see him.
I no see your fan. Why you go they talk that kind of thing?
But I need this your window now.
No, honestly, I no see your fan. I know if you do that kind of thing. I no see your fan. Me see your fan. What be that?
No, my niece. Don't worry.
What be the fine?
Auntie. Yes, my dear.
The fan there for you. Now you carry am.
What
did the fan they do for you?
Oh, now
You said try to lock your door.
Oh, now your fan.
Fanta.
Now your own thief.
No,
You want go sell this one too for one?
I don't know say fan there.
Now, make I no slap you.
I don't know say now. I don't know now. I just there. I don't know say fan fit just come out come there here.
With a yellow face like custard.
No, never. I don't feel like. Look me now. Look me. I don't ever carry your twin before. I don't know say now your fan. I don't. I'm surprised.
I'm surprised say you no quick sell and sell.
What? I don't know say now your fan.
Now your papa wanna borrow you.
Oh, you keep am outside. Maybe na breeze blow am enter house. You know now as fan they blow there.
They broke this.
As fan they blow breeze. As so breeze follow blow the fan.
See what they do.
You know breeze for breeze.
Your shame wear me to no bad. They put my children inside though before they say like give her your condom.
I know they lock this door again.
Stop lock the door.
What's going on here?
Showboi.
I hope your body is now very relaxed.
Over relax. Eh? You don't hear? Actually, you promised me a happy ending now. So you are done.
Sir,
Eh?
I don't think that will be possible anymore.
Actually, go. Don't be your pain now. Don't do this thing for me, eh?
Sir,
Oh yeah.
Don't run! Don't run!
Hey, my friend.
You think it's a joke?
Are you happy with the ending?
You think it's a joke? I'm scared for my life. My heart is getting
Keep
bad.
doing it. Quit. Showboi, Ashawo, you are waiting for happy ending and you have a soldier wife. Let's see Syd Iwundu on this. This is massively. Yeah, I love this song, but I could not let it play, you know. Trying to avoid some fame copyright claim, man. That copyright claim, man, can delay video. It's very annoying, you know. So we are just trying to avoid it, and I hope you understand. But very soon, just some seconds, the video will start playing with its original sound. Let's go and see how this this girl carry you. Where did they see all this kind of girls? Just got a house gift.
What's going on here?
babe, are you okay?
I just had a battery.
Okay.
I'm fine. Who's that?
That's my new cook. Come in.
You? Your food is ready.
Fresh cook boy like this, fine cook boy like this, what will you do? I'll just tell her to pursue that boy. My dream when I see him at the marriage.
Hey, Oga, this guy na shop log.
You mean him?
Yes, na transaction they always dey successful.
I just want to go and canopy.
I dey come and check whether that man dey in office, eh?
I dey wait for you. Okay,
We are in business. We are in business now.
See how long.
What's going on here?
Now what for you, bro?
Nah. I want to see what I'm even remember.
Eh? I just did there, they look you. If you press one small, you give person woman. You press one small, you give person woman. Baba, listen to me. Now maybe the one and only do baby, the son of a praying mother. I don't do as a man work for like 10 years. So I dey do my 10 years anniversary today. So anybody follow me do transaction, I dey give her one shima.
Wait, you mean say if I follow you do transaction now, here nyam bumper.
Baba, listen, oh, once transaction successful, shima go successful.
You mean that? I like this one where they front on the shake.
Okay? The man they wait for us now.
Oh, sorry, I come.
I don't even know where it's going. You want to
So, Oga, you remember that app we been telling me about? Now we say I feel meet plumbers, I feel meet electricians and all that. This man just moved into our place recently, and in they look for plumber and electrician. I beg again, tell them about the app. I beg.
Oh, Okogram.
Yes.
Okogram is an online platform where you can connect with skilled artisans, professionals, and experts on different fields of endeavor.
His mind is
such
not
as
there.
plumbers, water suppliers, house and landing agents, car mechanics, barbers, dispatch riders, food sellers,
how am I going to
name it, that are closest to your location. And the app to use it is completely free. All you need to do is just to sign up and start using the app. And even as an artisan, you want people to reach out to you and patronize you more, you can sign up on the app. People will reach out to you and pay you directly if you want, without the consent of the app or a third party. And this app is built to reach out to people nationwide. So come on, just download the app on Apple Store or Play Store, and you can do business with them. That's simple. Just stress yourself about going up and down. Look,
I said it.
Where is your friend?
Nah. I don't come here to transact. I come here, I come meet one man who they tell us about app where you go use get workers. But if I say first of all, make I come transact. You know now.
Baba, bring the deal, come and active.
Hey, get money where my son wants send for me. $10. I want me to transact.
$10. Bring and come. No dollar is too small.
Oh yeah, put your account number. Make I send for it.
So now short dollars are.
I don't send them.
You don't trouble?
Yes.
Baba, paste me on error.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Mazi.
Yes.
I don't run now.
Nah, Mbompa. Which one be this one now? Where all the hot girls will be there here?
Baba, the hot girls don't finish, now the cold ones remain.
Okay, now. I'm not here. What's happening now? Where the cold girl will been giving me for hand now?
Baba, I be like say the girl don't reverse. So.
Even the naira way you sent for me don't reverse. What is happening here?
Baba, you know the terms and conditions. If transaction reverse, now my luck. I know the resend.
Nah, stop that thing. Stop that thing. Tomorrow day.
Baba, listen to me. Tomorrow get belle. Even calendar don't know what thing you go born. No the stress, baby.
Now, do you know that I'm old enough to be your daddy?
Baba, listen to me, oh. If money no your Aza, if you like make you get diabetes, you know if you be sugar daddy. I rest my case on God.
That case you no go rest on God.
I come and check whether that man dey in office,
I dey wait for you.
Mazi, how you take use reverse everything?
You shock? You dey reverse transaction. They reverse the whole world.
Now, he has not done any business.
Did you the work?
No, not the work. He has not done any business with Nduka now. Assuming he didn't try. He reversed the world.
Please, water. I need a glass of water. Waiter, water, please. Why are you guys so slow?
I'm so sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Put it here.
So star.
Jesus, what is wrong with you? Are you mad? Can you imagine? Who employed you?
I'm very sorry.
Don't even dare. Come on, give it to me. I don't even know who employed you. Rubbish. They didn't teach you hospitality work. Hello, man. You can't be rude to a grown-up man. Is it because he's a waiter here? Oh, please. He's a grown-up man. I beg you rest. Grown-up what? Madam, respect yourself. So sorry. Sorry. So I came here to meet someone. Sorry.
No problem.
Hey, baby.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, it's me.
It's you, who? You saw my man's phone. Manager! Who is here? Okay, that's what you've been doing. You're even a kid. Oh, yeah, give my man.
Can't just stop. I'm Wilson, guy you've been testing all this while. Look, I just have to fake my identity because I need a good wife. But with all this I've seen today, God forbid.
Wilson, is you?
The whole promises I made to you.
Maybe the car, the new Range Rover, the house.
Me buy you house again.
No, baby, you can't do this to me. Look at you now. You're such a cool guy online. Look at what you're doing. This is not good now. Baby, please, I'm sorry. I will change.
Hey!
I've been waiting for you all my
Hey!
life. Don't do this to me now.
Hi, I thank you so much for standing up for me without you even knowing who I truly am.
Who is this one?
Are you in a relationship? Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend. You think you can go?
Are you serious?
Yes. So you're single now?
I won't just go out on an actual date.
Yes. No, baby, now, baby.
Look at the girl you carry.
What is wrong with you? Now you smell this one again with your anger. Can you just calm down?
You never see this is more than a comedy though, trying to let you know
Californian
that
guy.
being good and generous, like being good, treat people right, it pays.
So now, Mama, do you accept dollar?
Correct.
Yes. You accept dollar?
Yes, I accept dollar.
Now take $1, give me change.
This one, you know, rich, now $100.
You say what?
Dollar don't go up. Hey! Now $100. Now I won't collect.
$100 for fish?
Yes.
This fish $100?
Yes.
Dollar don't cost. Mama, don't worry. I wanna come back.
Run.
I'll come back. Don't worry, Californian guy.
If you see the guy sharp update why I carry come here, I don't try him 20 times, they walk. I I say no need to talk anything. This one na confirm update. I dey tell you something.
Only starting the comment update.
But they know the where we go thief.
I go remove wig now. Maybe they go.
الصلاة خير
You know the end where it has never ended well for, especially for this man. It always favors the woman, and this man will keep following this woman to everybody.
The matter has been reported. Who can them, sir? Who are blaming them for bad? Give me. Stop it. Officer, please, I only steal this money because of hunger. Please. Steal that, my friend. You're not ready. Young lady, where are you from?
I'm Igbo, sir.
Igbo. Go on this. Go on this. Okay, you're from Igbo. What's your name?
That lady.
Your second name?
Apple.
Apple, that lady.
God there.
Where is she now? You say we can let her go now. Why did you allow her to go? Why did you allow her to go? Sir, you say Apple, that lady, allow her to go. You'll be the one to suffer in jail. Take him to the station. Nah, lie.
This is how the girl always escaped. Whenever they both went to any mission,
God, I beg, I expect God, you give me money in exchange of the small family I get. Have you not seen the suffer? Jesus, let me beg your father.
Look, my guy, what they do for you now? Just look like who they suffer.
Okay, as you all look me finish from head to toe, they tell me say they suffer because I know they post chicken and rice for status.
You they suffer, they show all over you now.
See now, I beg, see, I just got to beg you, I beg, you borrow me like 5K. I don't call my family member, nobody feel raise 2K.
Why they look down on me? You supposed to ask me 5K, you supposed to ask me like that guy 500K, 1 million. Like this now, they just call me say my mama cook food. So I just call day with me. We'll go for enjoy together before we talk about that one.
Your son! No delay. Wait till Chelsea complete that thing.
Manila vanilla.
This guy I'm for.
Skin like milk.
This guy I'm Mac.
What is this?
It's the rice and chicken I prepared for you.
I know, I mean this.
Now roots, that one on my own.
Like, we just met 2 days ago. And I'm visiting you for the first time. You already bought that root. Don't you have conscience?
Madam, you don't get conscience. 2 days we were meeting. First time you're visiting me, but at this happening, your mama started shopping. And I don't give you 100,000 for her treatment. Give me my own line, you tell me say conscience. Which kind of problem with this one?
What? Let's brother will be proud of you.
Not like that. I'm on my flow.
You say?
I'm on my period.
Which kind of thing with this one? Which kind of feel like I don't go jam?
Thank you so much for the 100,000 you sent to me. I want to start living. Thank you. The money you sent has reversed too.
Technology.
Action. That's when they always be. May the life flow with women with you on their flow. They always they're allergic.
I was just kidding, nothing they flow.
You know the flow? So make I drink or make I not drink.
Drink to secure the 100K.
Mama, you suffering now? You want break my waist? Mr. Man, shut up the dirty mouth. Not the money I pay you.
Because of that small money, now why you want to break my waist? This guy, which style you want? Talk your cow, girl.
Now this time I want to choke this nyam for your nyam.
Madam, what is the meaning of this?
Now my girl, pleasure. Oh, you're naked.
Madam, if you know say that this one you want to, take your money, I don't want to take it.
It's too late for that. Oh, you pull up my friend. Here for your waist. Jesus!
Madam, please don't do this. Don't do this. Please think about my future. Think about my life. I just they do this work to make my family proud. So that when they put food for table. Sorry. Don't destroy my life. If this was your brother, what would you do? How will you feel?
I will feel very bad. But I don't care. Jesus!
Idiot!
Okay, which kind of someone you be?
The wrong one can shower you carry for Johnson. Now it's my son. Shift your bed, man. Tell this woman right inside.
Sometimes I'm beginning to imagine who sat down, like who among them who sat down.
Emeka, uncle, good afternoon, sir. How are you? Uncle, wait.
Are you whining yourself?
What's that? Uncle, nothing. That's another bandana, red bandana.
Red bandana.
It's okay. You don't want to shake me again? No, don't worry. I'm going to the Igwe Palace. Okay, get Igwe from you. It's okay. Bye bye, sir. Emeka is active. What's in the inside though? You get what?
Run away. I don't even know your words. You as a girl, look at what you have. Showing like this. You will just say, how are you? You don't even talk about the process or anything. A good man girl know themselves. This girl don't know herself. She for pass. That's what you are not talking. We even collect number. Forget say you wear uniform. You don't understand. Look at what you are dreaming about. If SK catch you, if SK catch and cut you, you will be a history. This is disgusting, man. I don't know, but this is from the pit of hell, honestly. Forget comedy. When there are so many women, many of them out there.
Wake up. Take this way. Kneel down there. Hold this Bible. Holy Ghost fire. You are for Jesus. Swallow it, Osiso. I said swallow it. Let it enter your belly. Swallow it. You are for Jesus. Every spirit of industry plant, I cast it on the body. I mark you for Jesus. I mark you for Jesus. Say I am for Jesus. I'm for Jesus. You are for Jesus. You are for Jesus, my son. Every industry plant, Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire. I am for Jesus. Say it. I'm for Jesus. You are for Jesus. You are for Jesus. I mark you for Jesus. Carry Jesus. Carry Jesus. Carry it closer to you. You are for Jesus.
Good day, viewers all over the world. My name is Comrade Stephen Umukoro, and I am the leader of this movement, SOS, Save Our Society.
Shape all his beards. It's now looking like Umukoro Stephen. Chai. Let's see. Funny Kante on this one. This one you're ironing your bed and preparing for somebody. We don't know who you're preparing for, but I guess a woman. So this one now, let's see how it goes. Why the sun?
What thing be this?
Guy, you will bricklayer?
Poor man begin.
What a kick from Jet Li.
Since you entered this car, for the past 10 minutes now, you've not been saying anything. Are you good?
I say nothing. Nothing happened. I'm okay.
Why would you say nothing? I don't understand. This is not you. We've been together for long.
She needs money whenever I
expect you to believe that.
Something I said nothing.
Fucking talk to me. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Give them money.
What's your problem? I don't understand. If you tell me your problem, will you die? I'm your boyfriend.
Women don't stop.
I'm your man.
They will never
when you tell me your problem, we will find a solution to it. What's wrong with you?
Okay, calm down, sir. Easy, tiger. Stop shouting at me.
Will you die?
Okay. I will tell you what happened.
Better.
So this is what happened.
She died. She didn't say it. They will never say they prefer to die, but what they want is money, honestly. Give them money, everything will be solved.
Open it. Drink some from it. Don't swallow it.
To be on this one.
And if you swallow it, don't pour it out.
Why you not tell me things?
Why you don't talk to me?
What are you doing here now? Come back inside now.
Come back what? Come back what I'm asking you. You why take as my brother, I mean senior brother. Now here we enter inside because they unbuttoning your clothes. For what? Why unbuttoning your clothes?
I'm saying take me as your brother.
Yes.
Am I related to you? What do you mean by that?
Even though you're not related to me, I took you as my brother, please.
You took me as your brother how?
You are my senior brother.
Did you take the wig?
So wait,
when I take you to that shop, did you take the wig?
So does it mean like a brother cannot buy a wig for his sister?
Okay, your sister can't help the brother in the other room.
Please, if there's anything you want us to talk about, come and sit down. There is space. Come and sit down here. Let's talk it out. For inside there, I'm not coming inside there. I said, I'm not coming.
Why are you acting like this now?
I'm not acting anything. I'm not coming inside there. Why you gonna button your clothes? That's why I take as a senior brother.
Senior brother, and you
I
came
my
to meet him
blood.
alone.
Before. You should say I'm your blood. What's your surname? What's your surname? You say I'm your senior brother.
Now you said, yo, come and sit down here. You're my blood.
The guy you will be collector.
Of course. What is there?
You are collecting blood, but now it's come to Kekere. You are saying blood.
You're my blood. I took you as my brother.
The man.
Am I your doctor saying that to get yourself? Which kind of time I'm that now? Am I related to you? I'm from Robo, be from Igbo, Sam, your brother. How are we related? You don't think now your eye. Don't think this come inside me.
I don't think come inside. If there's anything you want us to talk about, come and sit down here.
You are from Igbo, I'm from Robo. You Sam, your brother. How the relation take on this side? Take me as a senior brother. That time I don't have enough sisters. Sure? I better come inside, Loretta.
I don't come inside anywhere. If there's anything you want us to discuss, come and sit down here. Come and sit
down here. This is what we were discussing before. Wasn't that good? We were inside before.
Why not putting your clothes down?
What's feeling it now? We should have said what I'm
feeling which she's liar.
God bless me, sir.
I'm not going anyway.
Why is it
Come and sit down. Let's talk that way you want to. Come and sit down here. Now you said.
Come let's go
I'm not going inside. I'm not going inside. I'm not going.
Okay, why are you not going inside now?
Because you're putting your clothes. You won't touch me.
I'm not touching you before.
No.
Are you not a woman? No, am I not a man? Which kind of package me down say?
What do you mean?
So what do you mean? Why they buy it? So not what you Why they beat myself? They beat you. What I'm saying? Not what you
I take you as my brother.
Please, I'll join you to fight you for this world.
Who's your brother? Come on, see from the phone.
In fact, the sound is good. Sound is stress man.
So I'm looking at the brother to you. Give me the phone. What your past can do? Thief. That reminds me.
This man.
Is this how you behave?
Shut up there.
If you go, make you lock my door. Only place tomorrow, brother.
What artist she is?
I get back to you. It's not like you touch me. They are some
Lumba, see, like this now, anybody maybe like say park for that place and as they see the car, they see the kid they do it. Because this one like this na government work. No be like. Anybody may park for them, then I pick it. Papa, pass me the this thing, what's me?
Pass you waiting at Clarona, I don't throw away I'm not plug. No go they find you. See motor, we need to stop motor, we need to time they go.
You don't throw that boy us now.
That Clarona remain, you need to hear what that Clarona remain.
No, you want grab, who's that Clarona remain? I don't understand you. Next time you show me.
Jesus.
I got the advice from a madman.
Because of small time. Child, let's see the lemon 10. No man. One man begin.
Hello, babe.
Hello, babe.
What happened?
I can't find my period, babe.
Hi! Then report to the police station now.
What did I just hear? Not only you see, not only they run, they live. What if somebody comes and hit you? What do you say now? This one a food freak. Love the person, left ear. Food is sweeter. This is how it is. I don't know. Very anyhow human being. I don't know.
What's going on here?
Okoro.
Jesus.
Wait. I am perplexed, discombobulated, flabbergasted, and catapulted to a paroxysm of emotional tempest. What are you doing?
Odogo, that is not C. It's not what you're thinking. I can explain.
This is Mazi Agbo's wife now. You're indulging in rumpy, pumpy, pata with her inside the bush? No, this is egregious and abysmal.
We are just trying to have a tete-a-tete.
How? In the bush.
Yes.
No. You see, this thing I just envisage now. Once I live here, I'm galvanizing and peregrinating straight to their edifice, and I'm telling her husband.
Odogo, don't do this. You're my friend from day one. We don't do this.
No, I'm a man of justice. I don't like any.
Must you report me?
Justice man.
We were just having a tete-a-tete like I told you.
Oh, it's a tete-a-tete. Oh yeah, let me go and tell the husband the kind of tete-a-tete I saw.
No. Remove the other tete. Was it one tete?
No, I clearly saw you indulging in copulation, rumpy, pumpy, and pata now. What are you doing here? But I told you to hide and wait for me there now.
When you told me to hide, I saw a snake there. That's why I came out.
Is it not the king's younger daughter?
I told you to wait there now.
There was snake there now. That's why I came out.
I am going straight to the palace.
No,
I must report you.
There's no need.
There's no need. But you are telling me palace about tete-a-tete.
I'm sorry now.
No, there's no sorry here. Igwe's youngest daughter. The palace guard will show you pepper.
We went to the glamour.
I'm telling you. You are rubbing with her. I am going straight to the palace to report you.
No, there's no need now.
Why?
You know,
but you want that to go and tell her husband.
You know, okay. I've seen you, you've seen me. We did not see anything. You're doing, I'm doing. Esprit de corps.
In other words, it is 1-1 goalless draw. Continue. Your sins are forgiven. Go home and sin twice more.
Your own is forgiven. Oh yeah, go. Let me go. Gaga twan gaga.
Odogu. I got the advice from a madman.
Well, if not because the guy caught him as well. This tete-a-tete man for no grill. And this word is cruel. Imagine. The thing that you are even doing, the thing you love doing, you caught somebody doing that same thing and you are angry. You are envious of that person. You want to go and report him. Meanwhile, you are doing that thing behind closed doors. You see this life. That is what so many people are. The day they will catch somebody doing a shower, everybody will be cursing her, talking. Meanwhile, there are a lot of people among those people sorting her, doing the same thing. Social media lifestyle for you. I think we've come to the end of this beautiful, interesting, and hilarious, funny, latest comedy compilation video. Please subscribe and share this video for others to watch and laugh. Happy Sunday to every one of you guys. Have a wonderful time. I think we don't have any review for today's video. Until we meet again on our next comedy compilation, then we're going to do some review. So until then, stay safe. Peace out.